difference between relatively elastic and inelastic demand curve. That is flatter and steeper demand curve. Now, the relatively or highly elastic demand, here this demand curve is a flatter demand curve. Means it shows that slightly change in price of the commodity lead to a larger change in quantity demanded. Suppose our prices is falling by 20%, so our quantity demand is increasing by more than 20% and vice versa. Suppose our price is rising by 20%, so our demand for quantity will fall by more than 20%. Means the proportionate change in the price will be less than the proportionate change in the quantity demand. As you can see that this gap is lesser than this gap. So this shows that अगर हमारा price 20% से fall करता है या rise करता है तो हमारा demand more than 20% से fall or rise करेगा. So that is why here elasticity of demand is greater than 1. Now this is relatively inelastic demand and this is steeper in shape. Here you can see that demand curve is steeper. That one was like this, but this one is like this. So here you can see that this gap is greater than this gap. So it shows that the large change in the price of the commodity lead to a smaller change in the quantity demanded. Suppose if our price is falling by 20%, so our demand will increase by less than 20%. मैं अपना demand सिर्फ 18% और 15% और 10% से ही increase करूँगी and vice versa. Again, suppose our price is rising by 20%, so our demand will fall by less than 20%. मैंने 18% से कम कर दिया या 10% कम कर दिया या 15% कम कर दिया and so on. So here the proportionate change in price will be more than the proportionate change in the quantity demanded. That's why the demand curve is steeper here and it is said that relatively inelastic demand, and here the elasticity of demand is lesser than 1.